wasn't you? Oh, thank goodness. No. How do you have patterns? These were supposed to be gone.
You were hiding this from us?
I have a plan to erase them. Gino was supposed to... he was...
Gino? You're working with him?
No, I was using him to fix all this. We could all be strong. Be together.
How could we be together if we can't tell your lies from your truths, Rumi?
Don't leave! I can still fix it!